Hello everyone, I'm excited to be back with another video of my variable prototyping series. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made use of Boolean variables in my prototype, and guess what, I'm going to show you how it is done, so stay tuned. In my last project, I used Boolean variables for managing tabs. While it is possible using basic prototype as well, however, I opted for variables. Now you'll see that initially all review cards are displayed. Then the first picture tab reveals only the cards with pictures, while the most helpful tab shows the most beneficial reviews. Now let's jump to the exciting part. Let's see how we can achieve it using Boolean variable. Now the first step is to create Boolean variables. So we have two important tabs named picture first and most helpful. So let's create them. Now in the design panel, click on local variables. Now click on create variable and select Boolean. I'm changing the name to picture first and setting the value to true. Similarly, I'm creating one more Boolean variable and changing the name to most helpful and setting the value to true. Once the Boolean variables has been created, we need to assign them to the respective review cards. Let's select the card with the picture, and in the design panel, go to its layer, and there you will find an eye icon. So if you right click on it, you can see the variables we created. Do not click on the eye icon button as it will make the card go disappear. Note that you need to right click on the eye icon and then click on the picture first variable. Now using the shift key, select the remaining cards with the picture and follow the same process by going to the layer and selecting picture first variable. You can see the variable picture first has been assigned to the cards. Similarly, using shift key, select the remaining cards and then go to the layer and assign it to the most helpful Boolean variable. Now since the variables are assigned to the cards, you can see that the values are in true. Hence we can see all the cards, but the moment I make the Boolean variable false, its assigned cards disappear. Now it's time for prototyping. When clicked on the picture first, it should go to its selected tab. Similarly for most helpful and all. Let's give the interaction for the first picture, so it should instantly go to its selected tab. Observe next to on click there is a plus icon, so that it means for that one click you can have multiple actions. Let's click on plus and then select set variable and then click on picture first variable. Then set it to true, because when clicked on first picture we want to see cards with pictures that we had assigned earlier. Now click on plus once again and then set variable to most helpful and set it to false, because when clicked on picture first we don't want to see the other cards except the ones with pictures. Hence we make it false because variable assigned to most helpful will disappear. We need to do the same with the most helpful. Give the interaction to its selected tab. Then click on plus and set the variable to most helpful and make it true. And then click on plus once again and set variable picture first to false. For most helpful, now we don't want the cards with pictures and need the cards that were assigned to most helpful. Now we have one more picture first here. For this we can just use the previous interaction. Just click on one we already gave and go and click on the interaction and copy it by pressing Ctrl C. Now click on the picture first where we need to give the interaction and press Ctrl V, paste. We have the same interactions. Let's do the same with most helpful. Let's give interaction for all button. Here we need to set variable both picture first and most helpful to true, because when clicked on all button, we need all the review cards to be visible. Now copy this entire interaction and paste it to one more button and we are all set. It's time to play the prototype and check if it works. Currently it's showing for all and we can see all the cards. When click on picture first, we can see only the cards with picture, and for most helpful we can see without picture. My fellow designers, I hope you found this video enjoyable and helpful. Please let me know your thoughts and if you'd like to see more videos like this in future. Thank you for watching.